Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit YouTube videos from mobile using CapCut. So if you want to edit YouTube videos like a pro right from your phone, CapCut in 2025 make it easier than ever. And I'll show you the full step-by-step plus fix common problems too. So why you can use CapCut for YouTube? It's free, mobile friendly, and also has pro level features, but you need to subscribe for it. And there's also no watermark with if you want to. Here you guys can see there will be the ending default like this, but you can always delete it, so there's no watermark attached on your videos. And the timeline is easy, there are so many effects, and you can also use auto captions, and it's ideal for beginners and pros users. And you can just start a new projects in CapCut to start and open your videos. And here for the basic editing steps, you can just, if you want to trim your clips, you can just drag the edges, the start and also the end of your video to trim the end. And if you want to add transitions, let's say here, you can just go in between the clips and click on this white box and choose the trending transitions from CapCut. For example, in here I'm going to go with this snow surround transition. Click on the transitions that you want, then adjust the durations of the transition. Click on a check icon, and this is how the transition will look like. And if you want to insert text, you can just go to the text tool in here. Then you can click on add text. You can also use text template from provided by CapCut. I think this one is very useful. You can choose the social media or vlog category if you want to make it interesting. Let's say I'm going to just go with this one. You can click on it and you can always change the content with your own text. And if you want to add background music or voiceover, you can here click on the audio options or tap on add audio on the timeline. And to add music, you can go with extract sounds or sound effects, but if you want to add voiceover, you can record it directly from CapCut. And don't forget to also adjust video ratio to 16:9 for YouTube. And for dramatic effect, you can also add filters, effects in here, because there are so many effects that you can choose. Let's say I'm going to add effects on the opening. This one, horizontal open, so it will look cinematic just within seconds. And you can also add sticker, auto captions, use keyframes for smooth animations. For example, I want to have that zoom in effects. You can add a keyframe at the start of the video. Sorry, not that one. I think after the opening effect, let's add a keyframe first in here, and then you can go to the end of the clip or the middle and zoom in to have that zoom in effect. So it will go like this. It will zoom slowly to your videos. And after you finish editing, you can just click on export, but you can also change the resolution, frame rate and code rate first. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.